Welcome to Streamway Technologies. Today I'm going to show you virtual mouse project which I have built using Python and Django framework. In this project, we have implemented deep learning technology. To run this project, first we need to open a command prompt in this location. I have opened a command prompt in this location. To run this project, first we need to type Python manage.py run server, as this is a Django project. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. So this is our project. Index page. This is how it works. So this provides all the information how to start a project. This project has two modules, admin and user. Let's see what are the functionalities of admin. Admin credentials are admin and admin. So this is admin's dashboard. So admin can view all the users who are registered, and admin can view all the feedbacks and login. And next module is user module. User need to register first. As I have registered previously with my credentials, I can log in immediately. So this is user's dashboard. Let's launch virtual mouse. So when you launch a virtual mouse, it closes all the tabs and opens virtual mouse environment. Let's wait for some time. You can see here virtual mouse is launched successfully. So using media pipe, it is detecting our palm to create a virtual mouse. So let's see how this mouse works. So you should connect thumb point with palm point to create a mouse. You can see here on the screen a mouse is created, a cursor is created. When you remove the thumb, when you disconnect the points, so it will stop working. So to run this mouse, you need to connect this point, thumb point with palm point. You can see here. So it creates a mouse. So this creates a mouse. So let me show you some examples. So let me refresh first. Open your thumb. It will stop moving your cursor, and right click. If you close your right finger, so it will perform right click operation. Okay. When you click, when you click, when you close your left finger, so it will perform left click operation. Okay. So let me create or let me refresh the tabs. Open your finger, right click, close your finger, connecting with the points. It will create a mouse. Uh, Open your finger to stop moving the cursor and left click, refresh. So this is our project, and for double click, to perform double click operation, so you should close all the fingers, okay, to perform double click operation. And for screenshot, so you should connect these dots of thumb and palm, and you should close all your four fingers. It will take a screenshot. So let me close virtual mouse. So you can view all the screenshots here. You can delete a screenshot. You can preview screenshot, and you can delete all the screenshots. And next feature is user can give a feedback to admin about the application and log out. This is our project, and thank you.